How to register a private company. In order to register a company, you should have registered as a customer and have adequate credit in your customer code. If you have not done so yet, please see the video on how to register as a customer. To add credit to your customer code, you will need to make a deposit into the CIPC bank account using your customer code as reference. The banking details can be found on the CIPC website. To start the process, visit www.cipc.co.za. From the top menu bar, select Online Transacting and select E-Services from the drop-down tab. You will be redirected to the E-Services login screen. Click on Customer Login. Complete the required fields. Please note that it is case sensitive. Type in the security code. The security code is also case sensitive. Click on CIPC Terms and Conditions to read it. Click on the circle next to it to accept the terms and conditions. Click on Login. You will then be redirected to the E-Services landing page. Click on Company Registration. Select Private Company from the drop-down tab. Enter the ID number or passport number of the director of the company and click on the plus sign. The ID number, name and surname, and if the director is disqualified or not, will be displayed. Click on Remove if you want to remove the director. Click on the plus sign if you want to add another director. Once all the directors' ID numbers are captured, click on Continue to add all directors and incorporators' details. Click on Edit and complete the details. Please note that directors cannot share email addresses and cell phone numbers. Now, click on the Save button. Note: if you are registering the company on behalf of another person or your client, it is not necessary for your details to reflect as the incorporator. You may indicate your client as the incorporator. Click on Continue to complete the company's details. Complete the required fields relating to the company and click on Save. Options regarding name reservation will now be displayed. These options are: apply for a name as part of this process, use a name that has already been approved, or register a company using an enterprise number as the name. Option 1. Applying for a name as part of the process. Click on this option if you want to apply for a name as part of the process. The company will only be added to the company registration queue after the proposed name has been approved. If all proposed names fail, then the company will still be registered using the company's enterprise number as the company name. You will have to apply for another name, and when it's approved, you will have to follow a company name change process. Option 2. The name is already approved. If you have already applied for a name, then your company will be added to the company registration queue immediately, on condition that there is enough credit in your customer account. Option 3. Register using the enterprise number as a company name. Your company will be added to the company registration queue immediately, on condition that there is enough credit in your customer account. If you are applying for a name as part of the process, enter at least one or a maximum of 4 proposed names for the enterprise, in order of preference. Click on Submit Proposed Name. A screen will display, indicating if the exact name test was successful or not. Click on Lodge Name Reservation. The following screen will indicate that the proposed names have been lodged and provide you with a reservation tracking number. Click on Continue. Once the name has been successfully reserved, confirmation of such reservation will be emailed. All director and company details will be displayed. Verify the correctness and click on Modify if you need to edit either the company details or the director details. Click on Lodge Company. The following screen will be displayed if your company registration has been filed. Please note that the transaction is not yet completed. An email will be sent to the email address that you provided, indicating the required supporting documentation needed for registration.